Bonjour mes amis, welcome to French Rewind. Today we're going to be making a French egg dish called Oeuf Cocotte De Fromage. And it's very easy to make. It only requires a few ingredients: eggs, butter, heavy whipping cream, some cheese, salt and pepper.
First, we gotta butter up our little cocotte. Fun fact, cocotte can also mean darling. It also means small casserole dish or prostitute in French slang.
Make sure you get the sides really well coated. And the rest is pretty simple. You will just grab your eggs, and if you're making it just for yourself, you don't have to use 5 eggs. They sell smaller ones of these, and you can just use 2 eggs. Next step is you're going to use cheese grater to put cheese on your eggs. Cheese. And I forgot one thing. My wife likes it with olive tamponade. Gives it a distinct flavor, and it pairs well with the cheese. First, I'm going to add the cheese. And it goes it's really good. And then I like to add the olive tamponade. Tapenade. Spoon. Just a little. Sprinkle it all over your dish, as much as you want. We're almost there. So now you just add a little heavy whipping cream, or heavy cream. As you can see, it gives it a nice coating. And then just top it off with a little salt and pepper. Oh, I forgot one more thing. My wife likes chives. So I have some chives. And this is optional, but it's delicious. Fresh chives. And all you do now is you put it in the oven for 375 for 10 to 15 minutes. Depending on how well done you like it. If you like them creamy, I would say 10 to 12 minutes, or you could even do 200 degrees for 20 minutes to be safe. But I like to put it in for 375 for up to 15 minutes, giving it that wonderful taste.
I almost forgot the most important step. I cook it in a bain-marie. The reason I do this is to cook it gently. Just pour a little water and then put it in the oven.
And voila! Our Oeuf Cocotte De Fromage is ready to be served. Thanks for watching.